Hello, good evening everyone. Today we are here for 2nd August post-market report. Let's see what might happen today. So it was a big crash and Bank Nifty and Nifty expiry ahead, that is tomorrow. SBI results are ahead tomorrow. Still, market is on the bearish or fully falling. Let's see why exactly it fell so much. Is it because of some news at the US around, or is it what? Is it because Independence Day ahead, something is cooking at the back end to go up? Let's see on this. So India VIX has recorded 11.28 with the strike 0.1. That is, volatility was very high today. It was seriously, volatility was high. And Nifty PCR and Bank Nifty PCR has ended with bearish now. So almost yesterday it was like in the kind of here there, but still now it is bearish. But in the chart, no, it is beautifully working on technicals. I think let's have a look on that. So in the next we will be looking on that how exactly chart has behaved. So Nifty 50 has, not only Nifty 50 today, everyone was down. Nifty 50 has crossed the standard deviation points. It has crossed minus 300 as well today. And Nifty Bank, it has crossed again. Nifty Fin, it has broken all the possible resistance. Sorry, all the possible support. Nifty IT, minus 245. Nifty Auto, Nifty FMCG, who has not lost? Everybody has lost. Look at this Nifty segments. All this out of 14 segments, all the segments are negative. And financial services and banking, everybody is like blood bleeding. We can literally see that. So let's have a look on the chart. Yeah. So chart, if we look for here, we see a different scenario. Now, are you going to look after this as a head and shoulder? Point number one. Are we going to look this as a head and shoulder is forming like this to take an upward direction? Point number two. Now, what is this we are seeing? This support breaking will be very difficult. The reason behind it, the market was in the middle. Definitely, once it comes to channel bottom, it has to take channel up. So this support is testing properly. To fall, is there any other fear in the market? No fear as such, but it was supposed to fill this support, or it has to test this support again, whether is the support is good or not. Because last time when we had tried to take this, sorry, when we had try to take this resistance, it was not tested this. Now it is testing it properly with this resistance with April. So looking at this now, if it breaks again, it might make like this possibility. So we'll be seeing a huge double bottom and then it will go up. But definitely correction is much necessary. And this resistance will not break so easily. This is a this is a very strong support. This support has to break. To break this support, it has to make a double top. So looking at this, is it a double top? Also looking at all these 3 points. First is head and shoulder is also looking, and double top is also, and at the same time we are seeing double bottom also, on inverted head and shoulder also. So all these are there, and end of the day it has to follow the technicals that it is tested this support. If you see in weekly how beautifully it is testing the support, to test this support it came like that, it behaved and exactly rejected from there. You can have a look on the chart or weekly, you will find wonderful support got rejected today. And you know why exactly it happened? Because last Friday was the market low, and tomorrow is the expiry. Bank Nifty might go up again because of SBI results. If SBI results are good, then it might bounce back. And looking at this Independence Day ahead, always when we look after the history of Independence Day, always there will be a correction in the month of before Independence Day speech, that is Mr. Narendra Modi ji's speech. After the speech, there will be a 3 days, almost from first week of August to second week of August. You just have a look from 2014. You will see a significant movement in this time. Nifty and Bank Nifty will, because entire India will look after, entire world will look after that Indian independence speech. Plus, there are so many possibility that might announce some new things, like many things, whatever expected. Independence Day they'll announce. Last year also they announced. So there are many expectations will be there in this independence. So that's why market will get corrected. Definitely, until and unless market makes a chart pattern, it cannot make a new highs. It can only travel between the ranges. If it has to make a upper trend, then it has to make a chart pattern. To make that chart pattern, yes, this correction is a must. Point number one. So let's look after the market like this. Point number one. And if it is head and shoulder, it goes very slow. But as soon as it makes head and shoulder, also it makes reversal pattern also. Market correction might happen maybe another 500 points, another 800 points, not beyond this. Looking at this push, there is no such negative impact where Indian market will get collapse. No such fear. This correction is a good for all the stocks which are just went ahead. It's getting corrected or a price action. Plan it. Say suppose Hero Motocorp has fell down. It is in Nifty has fell down. That's why it's fell down. But look after the scenario that Hero Motocorp MD or CEO Pavan has made some allegations. So ED has made this recorded. That's why it's a negative sentiment, right? So Hero Motocorp is falling, and Reliance and Tata Steel is falling. It is not because Nifty is falling. See, it's a like collective effort. Don't just blame on Nifty 50 is falling. There are few other stocks. Like look at this. Hindustan Unilever was going up, Nestle was going up, Divis Lab was going up. So why can't we complain on them? It is purely few stocks like Reliance, all these things have pulled it down, and it was a must correction needed. That's why it's correction. So no need to get panic. Even if it goes another 300, 400 points down, tomorrow also little gap down and then pushing back to the market possibility is there. Don't get fear. It's a time for you to accumulate more stocks. And definitely market cannot be always in the trendy, right? It should give you a both ups and downs. So we are in the downs now. Definitely it will goes to up, and Nifty is the situation where it will not fall so badly. So be confident and don't fear. That's what we interpret here. Nifty Bank. See, Nifty Bank, looking at the overall scenario, it's broken. But still, I would say it is not broken yet. Just it is a testing because of sometimes, what will happen? This is like to me, it is a double bottom. Clear double bottom. Until and unless it makes a chart pattern, it cannot make. See, if I take a support here, see, it clearly makes. It is trying to, it got rejected from here, right? How come I'm expecting that it will fall? No, it is not falling. So what exactly, in short, we are trying to say here is just be confident. Still market has not made any, and I cannot call this as a double top as well, because it has broken this resistance and support here. I cannot call this as a resistance, right? Sorry, I cannot call this as a double top. It could be a head and shoulder, but not that definitely double top. If it is a double top, yes, steep fall we can expect. As an early indicator, Nifty and Bank Nifty, that's as tested this support. You can have a still look on weekly. We thought of posting weekly just to avoid confusion. We just put it on the daily just because market was crashed today. So still I'll tell you, weekly still it's at a very good support. To break this, it has to make a proper chart pattern. People might say, hey Rayar, this is like a temporary double top also it is looking. Yes, it is looking double top. But it will not correct so much that it will fall like 40,000, 38,000. No, it will not fall. If at all, if it has to fall, it will make one more chart pattern, one more price correction will happen and then fall. But such bad situation has not come. Okay, so this correction is expected. Don't take it otherwise. So major losers are Bank of Baroda and major gainers are AU Bank. So FinNifty. FinNifty, look at this. This is clearly double bottom, right? So it is like we cannot say channel has broken, it's gone. No, it can be a double bottom, no, to make it up. Tomorrow it might make even down, but it will end of the day it should close before this. If it close before this, then done. Right? So look after that scenario. And SBI news is there, SBI results are there. we are expecting definitely a bigger thing, right? So no need to get panic. Just stay tuned on the market. Try to eye on the proper chart pattern and try to accumulate the stocks. This is the correction time, and its market is very much bullish still. Okay. So Bajaj Finserv major losers, that is minus 47.45. Okay. So Nifty IT. Nifty IT, again, it has to make a double bottom here to bounce back, right? Without double bottom, things will not work. So let's accept the fact it will make a double bottom here. It has to have few more correction days, few more days, and it will travel sometime here, and then it will bounce back. Major gainers so far it is Tech Mahindra, and major losers are Emphasis, LTM. Just have a look on that. So no need to get panic. Just it is a correction. That's all. So Nifty Auto is also trying to correct. Should we call this as a double top? Still, it is trying to test. You just Nifty Auto weekly also watch. You will get. Still, it is testing the weekly support. It has not given a clearance for a fall yet. In weekly, if it is given confirmation, yes, you can consider it as a confirmation. But otherwise, still stay tuned for a proper correction or proper chart patterns. So major gainers are TVS Motors 7.3, major losers are Bosch minus 707. So Nifty FMCG is clearly making a double bottom here. It's still not, if you take a weekly, just friends, just have a watch on weekly, you will gain immense confidence. Weekly chart, just have a watch. It's still at the very much support. Okay. So Marico 564, that is 66.3, and major losers are Imami Limited minus 16.75. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share, comment, and subscribe our channel.